Hello everybody, in this video I'll show you how to do factory reset for your Quest 3. First of all, make sure you have enough battery and connect the USB cable into the USB connector on the Quest 3 headset. Now there are two options to do this. I'm going to show you the first option, which is the longer one, and then I'm going to show you the second option using the app. First, make sure your headset is turned off, then hold the power button alongside together with the volume down button. This is the left side, as you can see here, of the volume button, until your headset is turned on. Now you can wear the headset and look inside, and you can actually see, I'm just using my phone to actually take this video of it, USB update mode. Now you use the volume button up and down, volume up and volume down, to navigate through the options. And of course we need to choose factory reset. This is another reminder, everything you're going to have on the headset is going to be erased. Everything. It's like you got the headset fresh new from wherever you bought it. Then you need to press the power button as an enter button. So you navigate with the volume buttons. When it's factory reset, press the power button once, short press, and select it. And this basically will start the factory reset procedure to erase everything, of course, and start everything anew. You're gonna get before that an alert that asks you, are you sure factory reset erase all the data and cannot be recovered? All right, so yes, erase the factory reset. Again, if you have second thoughts, this is the time to stop. And it's going to show you erasing, and really it takes a relatively short time until it's ready. So again, just make sure, again, if you put the headset on, even just small tap on the power button just to wake it up, so you can actually take a look with your eyes and see inside, so you can see if it's ready. So really it takes very fast. You can actually see here, the moment the icon is gone, I can actually start using it. Although you can't see it here because I need to wear the headset to see the next steps. But basically you can see that just take several seconds, like, I don't know, like 30 seconds or something like that, and it's ready. All right. And look through the headset and follow the steps there to complete the setup. Next one is using the MetaQuest app. Press the MetaQuest 3 at the top, or 2 if you have 2 at the top. And then we're going to go to headset settings, and then to advanced settings. All right, and you have different options. I just click different ones. Ignore this. The only thing you need is the factory reset, the last option. So we're going to press factory reset. It's going to give you an alert. Again, you see it will remove your account information, all downloaded games and content from this device. If you want to continue, press reset. So after you've done that, basically the headset that communicates with the app will do the factory reset. So it's much easier like that. And you can see it's actually not paired anymore, so it will be there after until we finish the setup of the Quest 3. And again, if you look inside the Quest headset, Quest 3 headset, because I'm doing it on the Quest 3, you can see that it's kind of showing you that it's doing the same process as before. All right. So it takes several seconds. So just make sure to check it out when it finishes. And then when you use the app, you need to pair your headset again. So make sure to check the app. You're going to use it in both ways. You need to pair it with the app as well, whether you do it the first option or the second option. So you can choose the headset that you want and choose how to connect, and just follow the instructions to complete the setup process. So two ways to do it. It's easier when you use the app. So again, I recommend doing that, but up to you to choose which one. And that's about it. Eventually, this is speed it up a bit, but as you can see here, I finished pairing successfully. Thanks for watching.